These are the A Post Footwell panels for the Austin Healey BN1 and BN2 104 models. You get a pair of them. They are hardboard, cut on our CNC machine. You get all the associated sort of little fixing holes, although not a huge amount on these ones. So they're all cut on our CNC machine, so millimetre perfect, or as close as you can be for these classic girls. These have been made in vinyl. We can also offer in leather if you prefer. They come as standard with the Furflex drafts that screw down the back edge of there. Basically means that the door kind of shuts on it and stops a bit of air getting in the car. So a pair of, trimmed all the way around, as you can see. Very nicely done there. This one here is the right hand, so it sits up in the footwell like that. This is the left hand, obviously. The Austin Healey BN1, BN2 versions of these, they were foamed and they didn't have a hole in the right hand A-post area. All of the following on Healeys from that, the BN4 up until the BJ8s, they were slightly different shapes, and they also featured a hole on this right hand side here. But the BN1, BN2s were exactly like this. As you can see, very nice job. Always look for the stamp.